Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice algebra problem that is a times b is equal to 10, b times c is equal to 20 and c times a is equal to 30. So here we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. Now first of all we are just going to write this is our equation 1. So it is our equation number 2 and it is our equation number 3. So now here if we are going to just multiply equation 1 with equation 2 and then divide it by equation number 3. So now here multiplying that equation 1 and equation number 2, and then we have to just divide by equation 3. So here we have our equation 1. Left hand side of equation 1 is a times b, so times b times c divided by this c times a, that is equal to 10 times 20 over 30. So here we see that this a is cancelled out with a and c is cancelled out with c, so b times b we get b squared, that is equal to, here we have that 10 1 is 10, 10 3s are 30, so here 20 divided by 30, 20 divided by only 3, so it is the value of b squared. Let's say it is our equation number 4. Now here we are going to now multiply this equation 1 and equation 3 and then dividing it by equation number 2. So here we have to just multiply equation 1 by equation 2 and then we have to divide it by equation number 2. So 1 to multiply by that equation 3 and then divide by equation number 2. So here multiplying equation 1 with equation 3, then we have left hand side of equation 1 is multiplied by left hand side of equation 3 and then divided by equation 2. Similarly, right hand side of equation 1 is divided by right hand side of equation 3 and then divided by equation 2. So here we have this b is cancelled, c is cancelled out with c. Here we have a times a, so a times a is equal to a squared, that is equal to, here 10 2s are 20 and we get here that 1 is 2, 2 15s are 30, so we get 15 here. Let's say it is our equation number 5. Now we have to find here c squared, because in equation 4 we get this value of b squared and here we have a squared. Now we have to find c squared. So for this purpose we are going to just multiply equation 2 and equation 3 and then divide it by equation 1. So multiplying equation, here we have multiplying our equation number that 2 with equation number 3 and then divided by equation 1, then divided by equation number 1. So here we have our equation 2 is actually bc times equation 3 is c times a all over equation 1 is a times b. So here we have it is equal to, that equation 2 is 20 times 30 all over 10. Now this b is cancelled out with b, a is cancelled out with a, so we get c squared. Here we have the value of c squared is, here 10 2s are 20, so 30 times 2 we get 60, so it is our equation number 6. Now we have equation number 4 5 and 6. Here we know that as by algebraic expression we know that it is a very easy and basic algebraic expression that a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times a times b plus b times c plus c times a. So here we have to just put the values of this a squared, b squared and c squared, and similarly we have in our problem that is ab, bc and ca. So here this a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to, now the value of a squared, as we know that it is equal to 15, plus b squared is 20 over 3 and c squared is 60, plus 2 times the value of AB from our equation 1 is 10, BC is 20 and CA is 30. Here we just put the values. So now we are going to just simplify this. Our left hand side is a plus b plus c whole squared, that is equal to, here if we just write this 15 plus 60, then we have 75 and plus 20 over 3 and plus 2 times, here we get 10 plus 20 is 30 plus 30 is 60. Now our next step is a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to 75 plus 20 over 3 plus 2 times 60 is 120. Now here if we just write that a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to, here if we just write here denominator is 1, so taking this common multiple which is 3, here this 3 multiplied by 75, so we just write 75 times 3 and plus here we get 20 and plus 3 times 120. So now our next step will be a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to, here 75 multiplied by 3 we get that 225, now plus 20 and plus 3 times 120 we get 360 all over 3. So our next step is, so here a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to, when we add 225 plus 20 plus 360, then we get 605 all over 3. Now this 605 can be factorized, like if we just divide it by 5, so we get 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 1 is 5. So here if we just divide it by 11, then we get 11, and again 11 divided by 11 we get 1. So here we have 11 squared and times 5. So this 605 a plus b plus c whole squared is equal to, this 605 is equal to 11 squared times 5 all over 3. Now if we just take square root on both hand side, so we get a plus b plus c whole squared, and then taking square root on our left hand side, and similarly 11 squared times 5 all over 3, taking square root on our right hand side. So here a plus b plus c, this square is cancelled out with square root, so we get a plus b plus c is equal to, now this can also be written as that 11 squared times 5 whole square root all over square root of 3. Now we know that if we have a times b whole square root, if we have square root of a times b, then it is equal to square root of a times square root of a times square root of b, a times square root of b. So then a plus b plus c is equal to, here we have 11 squared whole square root times square root of 5 all over square root of 3. So this square is cancelled out with square root, we get a plus b plus c is equal to 11 times square root of 5 over square root of 3, and this is also our simplified form, so it is our answer. But we can also simplify further, like if you multiply by square root of 3 and dividing it by square root of 3, then we get, here we have a plus b plus c is equal to that square root of 3, this 11 times square root of 5 times 3 all over square root of 3 whole squared. Then this square is cancelled out with square root, so we get the final value, that is a plus b plus c is equal to 11 times square root of 15 over 3. So it is our final answer, that we have find out the value of a plus b plus c. So it is our answer. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you feel any problem, just ask question in comment box and just try your approach to solve this question. So here we are going to just review all problem. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.